Hey guys, Doc Willard here. Going to do a quick unboxing of some new deodorant by Each and Every. It's supposed to be limited ingredients, so it's less harmful. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get in here. So this is the sample kit. I couldn't decide between the scents. So it's coconut and lime. Aluminum-free deodorant. It is not an antiperspirant, which I'm not too sure how I feel about that. But it's supposed to have limited ingredients, no aluminum. All right, so that's coconut lime. Cannabis and Green Tea. Wow, I didn't know that was coming. Citrus and Vetiver. Lavender and lemon. Cardamom and Ginger, which is one of the ones that I really wanted to have. I really like cardamom. Cedar and vanilla. Unscented and fragrance-free. And rose and vanilla. So it comes with, I'm sure this is just an invoice. Yeah, this is just an invoice. So let's see which one smells the best. So cardamom and ginger, which this is what it looks like. And then again, these are just samples. And this sample kit was $24 and had free shipping. That smells really nice. So coconut and lime. Again, same top. Smells kind of beachy. So maybe this is what we need. So cannabis and green tea. I'm not a cannabis fan, but let's see. I do know what it smells like. It smells more green tea than anything. Cedar and vanilla. Smells like a cedar chest, just like you would expect it to, with a hint of vanilla. So citrus and vetiver. Definitely wouldn't say that's my favorite. I know this is all a matter of opinion, but it does have a heavy citrus smell. So lavender and lemon. Now that's very nice and refreshing, kind of on the feminine side. Definitely hints of lemon in there. So that's a good one. Not that those other ones aren't good. This is unscented and fragrance free, so no sense in putting my nose up there. And rose and vanilla. That would remind you of your grandmother's house. And it's very rosy and fresh, like a rose geranium or something. But yes, so let's have a feel. So the cardamom and ginger. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck on this one. I like this one a lot. So it's very natural, oily feeling. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like that, but it is pretty natural. It does have a good fragrance. It does transfer to the skin. So but it is kind of oily. I don't know how I feel about that. So I will do a review after I've used some. All right, take care. Hey guys, Dr. Willard here. Going to do a quick review of some natural deodorant that I picked up only because there's things in the news that, you know, it's talking about different chemicals and aluminums and parabens and stuff like that that are in traditional deodorant that you can find at your local superstore. So I just wanted to do a quick review of these deodorants that I received, and they're from Each and Every. So this is the company name, and this is their 0.5 ounce mini. And so this one is coconut lime, and it is true to the fragrance. It is definitely coconut and lime. Smells very light and airy, if you will, light and beachy due to the coconut. This one is the rose vanilla, and that's the one that I tried, and I really liked it. I know rose, you're probably thinking, that's like a feminine smell, but it's really pleasant. Maybe not for most manly men, if you will, but it's a very good deodorant. So again, that's rose and vanilla. Let me see, the next scent is Cardamom and Ginger. It smells very good. The cardamom stands out. Okay. And each one does have like a little decoration on the side that corresponds with the fragrance. All right. And the next one is Citrus and Vetiver, which does have a pretty citrusy smell to it. So that's a very nice scent. Cedar and vanilla. Oh, something goes on. You can definitely smell the cedar, but the vanilla kind of overpowers the cedar a little bit. The next one is lavender and lemon. And that one's, I mean, lavender and lemon goes together all the time. So that is a winner for me. Oh, and there's a little side photo. Then we have Cannabis and Green Tea. Now, I'm not a cannabis fan, so I mean, I guess maybe it smells a little bit like cannabis, but definitely smells like green tea. Okay, and then the last one is simply an unscented, unfragrance. It truly smells like nothing. And what do you know? Oh, it just has air on the side. That's funny. Okay, so of these 8 that I received from Each and Every, definitely the rose, the coconut lime, the cardamom, and the lavender lemon they're phenomenal scents. The only thing I can say is because they are not made with artificial perfumes and fragrances, that the smell isn't as strong as you would get from, say, a perfume. So, or from like a traditional deodorant, like, I don't know, Axe underarm protection has very strong, potent perfume, you know, orientating, I don't even know if that's a word. Anyways, but it exudes fragrance. These do not. They're pretty light because they are made with essential oils. And I think the essential oils that are added to these could be just a scotch more to maybe bring out the scent a little bit more. But as far as about the product itself, like I said, they're the 0.5 ounce minis. I ordered a sample pack, so I received 8, and that's 8 are the only fragrances that they have and scents that they have. They are vegan and cruelty free. They do not test on any animals, which is a check mark in my mental note of what products I do and don't want to use. You know, just as a side note, they always have free shipping, so that's always a plus to not have to worry about, you know, oh well, it's let me just check and see how much a per bar is, because I only know the price for that one. So it's actually $15 for their traditional 2.5 ounce deodorant. So you spend $15, but you don't have to worry about spending another $4 or $5 in shipping, because they always have free shipping. And then about the actual deodorant, there is no aluminum, no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no baking soda, and no gluten. So these are gluten-free, cruelty-free, aluminum-free, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free. So they've broken it down to where, like their label, each and every, I'm not sure if you can see that down the bottom, each and every ingredient matters, and which it does. So in this case, I think they went above and beyond to make a superb product. We tried these products out. We tried 2 of them. They do feel a little oily going on, but overall they kept us fresh all day. We own a food truck, so we were in a food truck and we were fresh and clean all day, you know, so we were hot and working probably 8 hours today, so it lasted. And I say we, being that's my wife and I, so, you know, female or male, they work pretty well. So if you have any other questions or comments, please forward them to me. I'm always happy to respond. And then one last thing is that they do boost themselves as only having 5 simple, clean ingredients plus essential oils. So it's not a bunch of harsh chemicals and harsh, you know, products that you don't know where they come from. And so yeah, so I think this is a great product and I would give it a thumbs up. And if you agree, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.